We just got introduced to the concept of loops, and in the last section we learned about a type of loop called the while loop. In this section we're going to learn about another type of loop called the for loop. The for loop has a few key parts that are very similar to the while loop but differ ever so slightly, and the main difference is in the parentheses of the for loop declaration. The parentheses contain three expressions. The first expression is the variable of interest to our for loop. The second expression are the conditions to be met in order to continue looping. The third expression is what is to be executed at the end of each loop. In this case, my first expression declares a variable called I that I initialize to 0. My second expression contains that same condition we've been using, that I needs to be less than the length of my parLMs array in order for my loop to continue executing. The third expression is that increment of my I variable to ensure that eventually I becomes greater than the length of my array. And each time I loop, I'm going to grab the ith element from my parLMs array and compare its inner HTML against my various cases. So the result should be the exact same as the result that we got when we went through and did this with a while loop. Let's go to our browser to make sure that that's true. And sure enough, it is.